In the teachings of Neville Goddard, the process of creating the final image involves harnessing the power of your imagination to shape your reality. Here are practical steps inspired by Goddard's wisdom. Daily revision. At the end of each day, reflect on your experiences. Don't just skim through your day. Take 10-15 minutes to quietly reflect on your experiences. Journaling can be helpful for this. Notice your emotions throughout the day. Did you feel frustrated, happy, anxious, or something else? Where did these emotions arise? Imagine events. Mentally revisit events and situations, but this time, reimagine them as you wish them to be. Don't try to rewrite the entire day. Choose 1-2 events that evoke negative emotions or didn't unfold as you hoped. Shift your perspective. Imagine how you could have handled the situation differently, what you could have said or done. Focus on learning and growth. Rewrite the script. Now, visualize the revised scenario. To include sensory details. What did you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? Focus on the feeling. Go beyond just the actions. What emotions would you have felt in this revised scenario? Immerse yourself in that emotional state. Feel the desired outcome. Engage your senses. See, hear, touch, and feel the revised scenario as if it's already true. Don't just see the revised scenario, feel it. Imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin, the sound of laughter, the taste of victory, or the scent of a peaceful environment. Act as if you've already achieved your desired outcome. Stand tall, smile genuinely, and allow your body language to reflect the positive emotions. Take a moment to express gratitude for the revised scenario as if it already happened. This reinforces the positive emotions and strengthens your belief. Steps to creating your reality. Neville Goddard's revision technique offers a path to shape your reality by rewriting past events and imagining desired outcomes. These specific steps delve into the power of visualization and emotional engagement to manifest your dreams. Select a scene. Imagine your desires as scenes within a grand play of your life. Pick a specific, charged scene that encapsulates your deepest longing. Is it a triumphant presentation at work, a heartfelt conversation with a loved one, or simply a moment of inner peace? This scene becomes the focal point of your mental revision. Step 2. Edit and trim. Now imagine yourself as the director and editor of this scene. Play it out in your mind's eye, observing your actions, the reactions of others, and the overall atmosphere. Then, like a skilled editor, trim the scene to its core essence to capture the feeling you want to evoke, the essence of your intention, in a single powerful phrase. This concentrated phrase becomes your mantra, your anchor to the desired reality. Add sensory details. The stage is set, the core intention distilled. Now, it's time to breathe life into the scene. Replay it in your mind, but this time, engage all your senses. Imagine the texture of the fabric you're wearing, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the scent of your loved one's perfume. Hear the encouraging words, the joyful laughter, the applause of success. Taste the sweetness of victory, the tang of excitement. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in the experience, as if it's happening right now. Selecting a specific scene focuses your energy and intention. Editing it down to a core phrase crystallizes your desire and strengthens your belief. Adding sensory details activates your emotions and makes the visualization more real, bridging the gap between imagination and reality. It's not just about seeing success, it's about feeling it. This emotional engagement is crucial. When you embody the desired emotions, you send powerful signals to your subconscious mind, rewiring your neural pathways and beliefs. This alignment of thought, feeling, and action sets the stage for attracting and manifesting your desires into your life. So, choose your scene, refine your intention, and dive into the vivid details. As you practice this technique, remember, you are not merely watching a movie. You are the architect of your own reality, sculpting it with the brushstrokes of imagination and the chisel of emotion. Mental touch technique. The mental touch technique, a powerful tool for self-empowerment, offers a way to reconnect with lost desires and manifest your dreams. Let's explore each step in detail, unlocking the secrets of this unique approach. Bring to mind something you believe you've lost or desire intensely. The journey begins with introspection. Close your eyes and delve into the depths of your being. What is that burning desire that seems lost or out of reach? Is it a career goal, a loving relationship, financial abundance, or perhaps something more personal? Identify it clearly without judgment. This initial step is crucial. for it reignites the spark of your longing, reminding you of what truly matters to your heart. Mentally touch it. The mental touch. In your mind's eye, visualize your desire with vivid clarity. Engage all your senses. What does it look like, smell like, feel like in your hands? Imagine its texture, its temperature, its weight. Run your fingers across its surface, feeling its solidity and presence. This act of mental touch transcends mere visualization. It anchors your desire in the realm of the tangible, bridging the gap between imagination and reality. In your mind's eye, touch it, feel it, and know that it's already yours. As you mentally touch your desire, don't just perceive it. Feel it yours. Imagine the joy of possession, the sense of accomplishment, the fulfillment it brings. Let these positive emotions wash over you. Declare with unwavering conviction, "This is mine." This affirmation is not mere wishful thinking. It's a powerful act of self-belief. By aligning your consciousness with the feeling of already having your desire, you send a clear message to the universe, setting the stage for manifestation. Aligning with the desired outcome. The mental touch technique goes beyond simply feeling good. It's about aligning your inner world with your outer reality. By repeatedly engaging in this practice, you create a powerful energetic imprint on your subconscious mind. This imprint acts like a magnet, attracting opportunities and circumstances that bring you closer to your desire. It's not a passive process. It's an active commitment to believing in your ability to manifest. Remember, consistency is key. Like any skill, the mental touch technique requires regular practice. Devote time each day to reconnecting with your desire and experiencing the feeling of possession. Focus on emotion. Don't just go through the motions. Truly feel the emotions of having your desire fulfilled. This emotional charge is the fuel that propels manifestation. Gratitude is power. As you practice, express gratitude for the journey itself and the progress you're making. This reinforces your belief and attracts even more positive energy. The mental touch technique is a powerful tool for self-discovery and empowerment. By reclaiming your lost desires, experiencing them through mental touch, and cultivating unwavering belief, you step onto the path of manifestation and transform your dreams into reality. Remember, the power lies within you. Take hold of it and watch your desires unfold. Visualization as manifestation. The concept of visualization as a tool for manifestation proposes that by harnessing the power of your imagination, you can attract your desires into reality. This isn't simply about daydreaming. It's a deliberate practice with defined steps. Crafting the canvas of your dreams. The first step is crafting vivid mental scenes that represent your desires. Don't settle for blurry, fleeting images. Close your eyes and engage all your senses. See yourself achieving your goal in clear detail. The vibrant colors, the textures, the sounds, even the smells and tastes. Imagine receiving that promotion, standing on stage accepting an award, or holding the love of your life. The more detail and realism you inject, the stronger the emotional connection and potential impact. Let's live in the scene. Visualization goes beyond simply seeing your goal. It's about feeling it. Imagine yourself immersed in your desired reality. Assume the emotions associated with success, joy, love, or whatever your goal evokes. Feel the pride of your accomplishment, the warmth of love, or the exhilaration of achieving your dream. Act as if it's already true. Speak with confidence, express gratitude, and savor the feeling of fulfillment. This emotional investment amplifies the power of your visualization and signals to your subconscious that this reality is attainable. Persistently repeat. And just like building a physical structure requires repeated actions, so too does manifesting your desires. Don't expect instant results. Regularly revisit your imaginal scenes and reinforce your assumptions. Schedule dedicated visualization sessions, but also weave elements of your desired reality into daily life. Look for signs and synchronicities that affirm your path and express gratitude for the progress you're making. This persistence strengthens your belief, reprograms your subconscious mind, and attracts experiences that align with your envisioned reality. Remember, visualization as manifestation isn't magic. It's about harnessing the power of your inner world to influence your outer reality. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome by crafting vivid imaginal scenes, embodying the feeling of your fulfilled wish, and persistently repeating this practice. You plant the seeds of your dreams and invite the universe to co-create your desired reality. It's a journey of self-discovery, emotional alignment, and taking an active role in shaping your own experience. So close your eyes, ignite your imagination, and start painting the masterpiece of your life. Remember, your assumptions shape your reality. By consciously creating and living in the final image, you become the architect of your own destiny.